going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Nick and this is Cerruti Auto, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use line lock on a Ecoboost Mustang. So if that's something you guys are interested in, make sure you stay tuned. Please feel free to smash the like button and subscribe. I'm getting close to 100 subscribers, but just like that, let's get this video started. Alright, let's try line lock here. We'll go ahead into the mode selector and we will select track. That way it turns off traction control. Put the gear lever all the way down into sport. Then we'll go ahead into track apps, down to line lock, and then we're going to hold OK, which is right here with your thumb. It is initialized. To engage, firmly apply brake and hold. Press OK to begin. It is engaged. All right, and that's line lock. Alright, if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure you like the video and hit subscribe. I'm getting close to 100 subscribers. But anyway, that's going to conclude this video. Please feel free to check out some other ones. But just like that, this video is over and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.